It will take some time.
Right. Yes. I would like to request you again if you can fix your camera, that would be great.
How can I fix my camera? Is it okay now?
That's better. Yeah, it is better. Hello.
Yeah. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, you are. Yes.
Okay, so as we are meeting for the very first time, I would like to know about you. So could you introduce yourself?
Yes, I would like to introduce myself. I know we are anonymous to each other. First of all, I would like to greet you. So, hello, how are you? How is your day going?
Actually, I have been feeling a little bit under the weather because of season is changing and it's rainy season coming in India. You already know,
Okay.
and so that's why I have been feeling a little bit under the weather. I am feeling fever, cold, and cough sometimes. Otherwise, my day is going good. And
Good.
also, my exam is around the corner, so I have been preparing for my examination as well.
Yeah.
So you can I have been spending quite busy day nowadays. And one more problem I am facing with this Skype application is, I am not getting any notification. So yesterday you texted me in the afternoon that about giving me my enter, but I was not able to see because I didn't get any notification and I forgot to open this application. And sometimes I forget to open this application because I stay busy most of the time.
I do understand it is very busiest time in your life because you're preparing for your exam, and I do remember when I was preparing for my exam, I used to just focus totally on my exams. So at least you are managing talking with other co-learners and practicing speaking in English. So that's a great things. Okay, you are stuck again. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, okay. So introduce.
How about you? How
Sorry.
about you? How is your day going and how is your day treating yourself?
My day is going pretty well. I am off today, so I'm taking advantage of that. I'm rejuvenating myself and spoiling myself. So, yeah.
Good. Okay, so actually, no, I got to know about you from YouTube. I have seen some videos, and you were talking to a girl, and she was from West Bengal. I am also from West Bengal. So there, I got to know about you, and I there just from there, I got to know about your name, and I texted you that I should talk to you as you are living in Australia. I would like to know about your country. Okay, so I think it's time to give our introduction. So first, let me introduce myself.
That would be
As
great.
yeah, as you can see that it's reflecting on the screen. My name is Piali De, and I am from West Bengal. I have completed post graduation in English, and currently I am pursuing my B.Ed. Apart from that, recently I have created YouTube channel, and I am teaching two students. I have two students. And if I talk about my hobbies, then in my free time, I like to paint some pictures from YouTube. And also, I like to watch movies, and I like to listen to songs. That's all about me.
Good to know about yourself. I'm just wondering, despite having a very busy schedule, still you are maintaining teaching two students and you are maintaining your YouTube channel. How can you do that? This is really very busy task. Especially you when you have YouTube channel, you have to dedicate your lots of time in there. So that's why I'm just wondering.
You are also working, and you say that you are on holidays, so you are also managing in a great way. But if you talk about me, in my case, I would say that I am not giving tuitions regularly, and also I am not uploading videos regularly. So this is how I am managing my time.
Yeah.
But for 10 to 15 days, I did not upload any videos because I was not able to talk to people because of network issue. And I am from a little village, so I face network issue sometimes. Most of the time, I face network issue.
Oh, so sorry to hear that. Okay, let me introduce
Like,
myself.
yeah,
As you My name is Hema and I was born and raised in India, Delhi. Basically, I am from Uttarakhand, but after getting married, I came to Australia. Therefore, I have been living in Australia for the last 16 years. My qualifications include a post graduation degree in Hindi honors, which I have done from Ramjas College from Delhi. I have also a bachelor degree in education. Therefore, I have been working as a teacher in Australia. Besides, I have a channel on YouTube, the art of speaking English. You know the name already because you said you have watched a couple of my videos. So that is all about me.
Yeah. Okay, so as you said that you are teaching there as a teacher, you are working there as a teacher. So my question is that is it easy to find a job in Australia? Because in India it's very difficult to find a job, especially in rural areas they need to shift to another place and they need to stay outside for getting job. So I would like to know that in Australia what is happening? Is it really easy to get a job, or you are making a long journey to reach the school where you are teaching?
So I do understand when because you are in India, India's competition is very high these days. It is very hard to get the nice job according to your desire. But here, if you are qualified enough, if you prove yes, you can communicate with them and you understand, you embrace their culture, you embrace their philosophy, teaching philosophy. That way, you can work here. But you need to make sure you have enough experience. Plus, you should have good knowledge about that, and moreover if you have a degree that is very much required, so that then only you can work. Because I'm a teacher here, apart from my degree I have to prove, okay, I have a license, I have a teacher license. If my license in extend every year, it's renew every year. If one year I don't teach children well, that way my license can be cancelled. So I have to be very careful in relation to talk with the children, behave with them, and I need to always make sure that I upgrade my knowledge.
Okay, okay, okay. So my next question is that when did you relocate yourself to Australia? And how many years ago?
I just told you in my introduction, I have been living in Australia for the last 16 years. So yeah.
Last 16 years.
Yes.
16.
16, 1 6.
That's Oh, really? That's good. That means you have been living there for a long time. So I would like to know about the culture in Australia. What kind of festivals you are celebrating there, and what kind of foods you are eating, or are you comfortable with the food? Because in India, food is different. Our culture
Yeah.
is different. Our culture is different.
It is up to you. Australian government provides facilities to you. You can maintain your culture. You can keep your culture. If you want to change your culture, you can do that. We have lots of facilities. That's why I'm taking advantage of those facilities. And in relation to food, yes, we have variety of food here. But I like to eat Indian food, especially our cultural food, because since my childhood I have been eating those kind of food. So I am habitual to eat spicy food, so I do that. So yes, we don't have any restrictions, we can do whatever we want to do, and we can celebrate our festivals. It's upon us. If we want to celebrate some other festival, we can do that. But definitely I do prefer to celebrate my festival. I also mingle with my colleagues when they have their own festival. I celebrate the festival with them at work, but not personally.
Okay, so what kind of festivals are there? I mean, what kind of pujas are there? What kind of worships they are doing there? I mean, we are worshipping Ma Durga and Lord Krishna. These kind of god and goddess are there. So, what kind of festivals are there? I just wanted to know.
Yeah, we have Indian temples here as well. It is all over the world, so we can. It's all over the world, so we can worship what we can do. We can continue our worship here as well. Or if you want to talk about Australian culture, I would say we have church here, and they celebrate Easter. Easter, do you know about Easter?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I
Easter,
know.
Christmas.
Easter is a festival. I know.
Yeah, yeah, they do.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay. Yeah, we are also celebrating Christmas. Christmas here. Indians also celebrate Christmas.
Yeah. Guess what?
also celebrate Christmas, this festival. I mean, this festival is unique
Your voice is breaking up. Piali, are you still there?
Okay, now is it clear?
Now it is clear. Yes, you can continue, please.
Yeah, I am okay. Okay, is it clear now?
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
Do you want me to call you
I'm
again?
audible to you now?
Do you want me to call you again because your video is stuck as well? I call you again.
Okay, just